Hey, what's up, traders? Let's break down this GBPUSD short, which just made us more than 4,500 in these shorts. And in this trade, I will break down why I have entered around 1.3357, which is around this level, and why we take profit around this level. You might already see that this 32.9, 32, 33, 37, right, 32.952. Why is this a good level? Maybe if you follow me for some time, you understand that this is a small manipulation and this is a key level, which is a 50% in here, right? So again, as usually, this is not just some hindsight bullshit. This is basically a trade which we have predicted and posted before the fact here on the Tradingview, before it has played out, right? So let's break it down right now. And let's delete everything and start from the scratch. So let me delete it and we will look what was actually happening in here, right? So first of all, what you need to do, we always need to basically draw a dealing range, because we do not want to ever be selling in the discount, right? So basically we measuring fib from high to the low, 50%, right? This is a discount, this is a premium. We do not want to be shorting in a discount, because it's just a short-term move and then the price going higher. But once the price goes above a liquidity in a premium, then the short is possible. Okay, so that's basically all what this trade has needed, right? We had a higher time frame premise that the price could continue still lower, right? And we been taking basically the trade based on a first liquidity grab in a premium round. So here is a first liquidity grab, right? And then we need to basically, if you look at it here, we can see that easily and nicely this range in here, this Tuesday range, right, was good enough for us to do the trade. So we highlighting this Tuesday range, right? We're dropping down to 1 hour, which is in here, right? And then once the price manipulates and close below, then we're looking for a setup. Now I will use my sessions indicator and we will drop it to the even lower time frame. Let me bring it down here, right? And let me show you how nicely it is playing out in here, right? So we have a price coming into the previous day's highlight. So we have the high is here. Then the Asian session starts, and you can see the Asian session is consolidating below that high, right? Then we have run above, right? And price moves lower, right? So what does it mean in here? We can see here we have change in order flow. Basically, these up candles, once we close below, as we do it in here, right? That's a creation of a nice order block, okay? So we have closed below during the London, a slight retracement in here, but already this is done and this is ready for a short. So the stop loss above it, right? And then you're targeting 50% and potentially the full range, right? And that's basically the whole trade as we took it, right? And as we've been targeting this low. I've been also expecting here that the price will a little bit go higher, right? However, didn't happen. Here is that order block, candles up, close below, retracement, and then selling off, right? And we've been taking the profits in here, right? So we've been basically targeting a 50% and then some trades we held below this low, right? The full range was obviously done, but you don't need it. This is enough to be long-term consistently profitable, and this is exactly what I'm teaching in my trading academy, and this is what we're doing every day by day in the live streams in my membership. So if this resonates with you and you see yourself doing this easy strategy and turning yourself into a master trader, join via the WOP, link is below, and I see you in my group. And don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye.